Sierra and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, excuse me for looking busted and crusted, but I'm about to go to the pool and I just wanted to show you guys how I prep my hair for the pool really quickly, for chlorine, for salt water, for honestly just the extreme heat outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into this video because I want to hurry up and get to the pool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. So I'm starting on an old wash and go. I think I did my hair maybe, honestly, I don't even remember these days. It honestly still looks good. I probably could like refresh it and wear this out today, but going to the pool, like I said, and my scalp. Anyway, I'm gonna start by splitting my hair down the middle and putting the bigger side up, just like this. And then I'm gonna take, oh, sorry, that's my dog. I'm going to take, she opened the door. I'm gonna take my spray bottle and just spritz this half of my hair to get it a little dampy damp, just to put some moisture into my hair so it doesn't like dry out at the pool. My hair is getting so long, you guys, and so big. I'm honestly like super excited about it. I know I keep saying it, but every time I just like do my hair and I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and in front of the mirror, I just like poop on myself a little bit. That's how excited I am. Right now, I'm just getting a little shed hair that's caught up with a single strand knot out of my way. But then I'm just gonna take my Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. This is what it looks like. Y'all seen me use this before in my co-wash routine. I'm just going to take some of that conditioner and put it on this entire section. I'm doing this just to put a little moisture into my hair before I go out into the sun and into the pool, like I said before. And also, if my hair starts to dry out, it would take this moisture out of my hair first instead of like in my hair strands. I hope that makes sense, y'all. I need to do better about like explaining myself throughout these videos. But yeah, I'm just wetting this section and coating my hair in the conditioner. That's all I'm doing, really. I don't know if a lot of people prep their hair for the pool and for the beach. I think it's really important just so your hair doesn't like dry out while you're enjoying the summer and the water and stuff like that. But what I just did, I just subsectioned my hair so that I can add a little bit more conditioner. That's more than I wanted. I'm gonna put some up here, so I can add a little bit more conditioner down here. And literally all I'm doing is putting it on my hair. I'm not really trying to finger detangle unless I find like shed hairs intertwined with like my regular hair. So like this is what I'm talking about. I'm sure you guys can't see it, but there's a piece of shed hair that's in a single strand knot with like my hair. So that's the only thing that I'm detangling, so I can just like get that out of the way. So yeah. After I have added the conditioner to my section and I feel like I've worked it through my hair enough, I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil and olive oil mixture. Y'all know I like to keep it in this Maui moisture bottle. I just like to take that mixture and just put that over top of the conditioner just to seal in that moisture. And water and oil don't mix, so you know, it's just a safety precaution to keep like the chlorine and the salt water out of my hair so it doesn't dry out my hair super badly, you know? If you guys don't prep your hair for the pool and for the beach and just like honestly going out in the sun period, I highly suggest it. 3 summers ago, I experienced a lot of dryness and breakage and things like that just because I was out in the sun a lot. This is before my big chop. So yeah, I think that was 3 summers ago. I experienced a lot of breakage and things like that. Dryness from not prepping my hair, going out in the sun, because the sun, it could be your best friend and your worst enemy. So I would just recommend, you know, just prepping your hair before going to the beach, going to the pool, going out if you're going to be outside for a long periodically time.
And wait a long periodically time.
Just separating my hair a little bit just to get some of those shed hairs out. because it's been a couple days since I washed my hair. So hair shedding a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit more of that conditioner and just put it on this section. And I'm not really paying any attention to my roots specifically, because I'm not really worried about my roots just like drying out. I mean, of course they can, but I'm just worried about my ends, which are the oldest part of my hair, which means they're more fragile. After applying the conditioner, I'm just taking a little bit more of that oil and just putting it on that whole section. You know, just making sure, adding some moisture and some sealant to my hair before I go torture it a little bit, if you know what I'm saying. That's just what this side looks like. Alright, so I'm just going to move on to the next side and do the exact same thing, and then I'll be back to come and talk to you guys. Hey guys, so I explained this earlier, but I want to go a little bit more in detail just so you fully understand what I'm saying. So basically, I'm just spraying my hair with water so that I am able to separate it and apply the conditioner more easily. And basically what I'm just doing is filling my hair with moisture from the water as well as the conditioner, so that when I get into the pool, my hair does not soak up the chlorine water or the salt water or whatever is in the water that can potentially dry out my hair. And then I'm going to take the oil and put that on top just so I can seal in that moisture, and also just use that as a protective barrier against the harsh chemicals and harsh waters that my hair could possibly absorb while enjoying the water. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much how I prep my hair for the pool, the beach, whatever, hot summer day, all of the above. This is just how it looks, a little damp with conditioner and oil. And then after this, after this I'm gonna shampoo, condition, deep condition, and then go into my wash and go routine. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, as well as give me a like, thumbs up, you know, all of the good stuff. Alright, let me stop playing. But thank you guys once again for coming to watch one of my videos. If you like this, you know what to do. And then I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. I wanna have fun.